Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm sharing some absolutely adorable and creative crochet baby frog design ideas that are perfect for little angels. Whether you are a beginner or experienced crocheter, these designs will inspire your next handmade project. Let's get started. First we have the classic shell stitch baby frog. This design is timeless and elegant. If you want more ideas like these, tell me in comment. It's perfect for special occasions like birthday or family gathering. Next is the floral crochet frog design. These frocks include cute crocheted flowers stitched into the dress, adding a playful and charming touch. You can mix and match color to make it vibrant and fun. Another lovely idea is the lace pattern baby frog. This design is light, airy, and perfect for summer. The intricate lace detail make the frock look stylish while keeping the baby comfortable. For a more modern style, try the two-color or ombre frock design. Blending shades create a beautiful gradient effect that look trendy and eye-catching. We also have the rougher skirt baby frock, which add extra volume and cuteness. The layered ruffle give the dress a princess-like feel that everyone will love. If you prefer something simple, the minimalistic crochet frock is a great option. Clean pattern with soft pastel color can make it beautiful for everyday wear. Don't forget that theme baby frock like animal styles or festive design are perfect for photo shoot, holidays, or special memories. When choosing yarn, always go for soft baby friendly material like cotton or acrylic blend to ensure comfort and safety. I hope these crochet baby frock ideas inspire you to create something beautiful and unique. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I'm